Hello, welcome to Dancing Kitchen. Today I am excited to show you how to make a simple yet delicious side dish green peas. Perfect to serve alongside any meal, hot or cool depending on what you prefer. First, I've got 2 bowls of fresh green peas ready to go. Start by adding 4 tablespoons of olive oil to a pot and warming it up. Then toss in diced onions. They will add a nice depth of flavor to the peas. Next, go to the green peas, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt for seasoning and 1 cup of water to help everything cook just right. Now just cover the pot and let it all simmer on the lowest heat for about 40 minutes. The peas will become tender and full of flavor. And that's it. You can serve your green peas cool as a refreshing side dish or enjoy them hot with your favorite meal. Whether you are looking for a healthy side dish or want to explore creative ways to incorporate green peas into your meals, this recipe is perfect for you. Enjoy these delicious green peas. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Dancing Kitchen.